Hello guys and welcome to my pre-trading analysis video, basically the trade device identification for today's video. So before we head up into the video, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 210 subscribers by the end of May. We can literally do that, so if you can, please just click on that button. It doesn't cost you anything, so please click on that button. And with that being said, let's get started into today's video. So basically for me today, I had a clear bias. I already did my pre-market analysis and now just market open since 43 minutes and I'm pretty much looking for entries right now. So I'll cover you up as I'll run you through my bias for the day, and let's start with USD GPY. So hold on, let's start with the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it looks like we're going to get some retracement after just yesterday we just took out these highs, these daily highs that has been with us since a long time. And we also, on the higher time frame, on the super higher time frame, we had a bearish SMT, as you can see here. On GBP GPY we didn't took out this high, and on USD on GBP GPY we didn't took out this high, and on USD GPY we did ended up taking that high. Sorry. And now it looks like price is going to reverse and fill up maybe this order block or into some 4-hour imbalances like this one. So we took the higher time frame drawn liquidity, and then we did create this 4-hour imbalance, this 4-hour bearish imbalance that is going to head us into this bullish 4-hour imbalance. And we just took out these 4-hour highs, and if you zoom in, you can actually find that this is also an hourly fair value gap, and those are the hourly highs, those are the hourly lows, and we also have these hourly lows. And at just the start of London session, we took out the London session highs, or the Asian session highs, I'm sorry. We took out the Asian session highs by just a few pips, but we got a strong rejection off of that. So, and we also, as you can see, this is a bearish SMT on the lower time frame. As you can see with GJ, we created the higher high and the higher low, and here we have higher high and the higher highs. So, and now what I'm looking for is if we broke the structure to the downside, or we change the character, or we change the structure of the short-term order flow, bullish order flow, and you turn up into a bearish order flow, I'll be anticipating this trade. So I'll scale down to the 5-minute to look for a structure getting created right here. And when we broke structure right here, let's say we created another structure right here, and then we broke structure, I'll wait for retracement back into some sort of continuation confluences, like let's say 5-minute fair value gaps or 15-minute order blocks if there's any. And when I see that, I'll scale down to the 1-minute, look for a 1-minute break of structure, and I will enter. My TP will be these clear Asian session lows. I don't want to hold to this low because price is just manipulating, but this could be also a strong drawn liquidity. But me personally, I will like target these Asian session lows. My stop loss will be anywhere up for after or above this liquidity sweep is happening on the 1 hour. So we have a 1 hour liquidity sweep, a 4-hour liquidity sweep, a 4-hour bearish imbalance also as well on the 1 hour. And we also took out the higher time frame on the daily, this higher time frame highs on the daily, and we also have a strong draws of liquidity to the downside. So this is it for USD GPY. I'll set up my alarms right now. Hold on, I'll see if the 79% Fibonacci is set it up right here. So if we broke below the 79% Fibonacci extension, we're probably going to invalidate the bullish order flow on the short term. So with that, let's go on to the GBP GPY, and actually I didn't see any setup on this. because we really on Asian session we kept going higher. Price is just stacking without doing anything. We also have this remaining new week opening gap. Hold on. New week opening gap that could be a strong drawn liquidity that's going to like get price into it, but I'm not currently looking at that. Let's see on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we still didn't took out these highs. That is what given us the SMT on the higher time frame. The daily is ideally a little bit bearish, but on the 4 hour we also have this 4 hour imbalance as well as USD GPY. So we have this fair value gap on the 4 hour, and yeah, I mean if I want to know where price is going to go, I'll scale out to the 1 hour and I'll look for a sweep of liquidity, whether of these highs. If we go up, we took out these highs, where is it? So if we go up, take out these highs, I'll wait for a change of structure, and I will anticipate of that my target will be these Asian session lows. And if we don't, we just don't, I'll be more likely going to take the trade on USD GPY. So I'm bearish on both pairs, but actually GBP GPY did not give me anything for this time, but I'll be looking at it. So if we broke structure below this low, that means that price, hold on, if we broke structure below this low, hold on, where is it? That means price is going to change the direction and the order flow on the lower time frame. And also, as well as USD GPY, I'm currently looking for continuation confluences and the break below the 79% Fibonacci extension. So I'll set up my alarms and I wait for my my setup to get formed. If there is any setup getting formed, I will anticipate into the trade. If there is nothing, I'll just ignore it and probably wait for New York session. But on a New York session, I have school and I can't have access to the market, so I'll be looking forward to see if I took a trade or not today. And stay tuned for the trade recap or the market recap, whether I take a trade or not. And that's it for today's video, man. I hope you guys benefited from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and peace out. See you next one.